What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to the sickest garage here on the platform. My name is B, right for Snow Auto Detailing, and I'm pumped to bring you this one. We have today the Tornador. This, I think there's a couple different brands out there, but I really like this. This is handy in a lot of places. This gets better than just vacuuming alone. I've made a bunch of jokes about not needing a vacuum anymore. Obviously, that is heresy and incorrect. But all the Tornador is compressed air, and I'll take you over there in a minute, but I use a little pancake rigid. It's a little bit underpowered, but it definitely does the job. It just runs a lot more than probably a bigger one would. But all this is compressed air shoved through my awesomely colored hose that my beautiful bride bought me, and it just brings it out to the tunnel here, or the tornado shape, the cone. And then you can see the little dongle in here. All that does is spin. That's it. And I use it in conjunction with the vacuum. Internet, calm down. And it's awesome. So let's go to work. This spot right here, it has been super duper vacuumed, but I promise you when we hit it with the Tornador, you will see why I couple my vacuuming with the Tornador, because this, I bet it's gonna be super dusty. Just looking at it, I know it is. And again, my DeWalt vacuum is a rock star, so it's been pretty clean, but watch how much stuff comes out with the Tornador. I said that funny. For those of you that are parents out there, you'll probably understand my struggles, but tonight was a little bit rough putting the kids to bed, but Spartacus, who is just an awesome kid, didn't want me to talk about him in this video, and I told him I was going to, so Spartacus, I love you. If you couldn't tell, the Tornador is a must. You honestly have to use the Tornador. Well, I shouldn't say you have to. I highly recommend a Tornador. My Pancake, a little rigid air compressor, I didn't bring you over to it, and I'm sorry, but the little rigid air compressor, it does a really good job. It has to run a ton and it's super duper loud. But it pumps out the pressure pretty consistently, so I'm pretty proud of the little guy. Probably have to get something bigger down the road, but to get the carpets super duper clean before I actually do extractions and carpet cleaning, I always love to use the Tornador in conjunction with it. I could hold the vacuum by it and actually suck up the stuff that's blowing out, but it doesn't look as cool. And half of why I do this, well, why I film is so that it looks cool. So I leave it that way. Anyway, bye, rambling.